English doggy. Oh, done.
My turn?
My turn.
Okay, why not? Okay.
Is it grammar?
Hmm?
Is it grammar?
Yeah, open up. Say ah.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Okay.
I want water. Tastes good.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. Alright, let's go read some stories. Thank you. Don't forget your crown. Okay.
Where's my glasses?
Your glasses? What glasses?
I'm going to this one now.
No, we'll floss when you're a little bit older, okay? Trust me, it's not as fun as it looks. Okay, come on.
It's two.
Okay, go pick out some stories.
Fruit.